Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I got a couple of new products today to talk about. This is the AR-15 buffer tube wall mount, 3D printed. Guys, these things are excellent. They're very strong. I'm thinking about making a bunch of them and giving a bunch of them away. Let me know what you guys think in this video. And then we also got a new one out now. This is the M-Loc wall mount. That mounts to your M-Loc rail. As you can see by this one right here, this AR-15. So either or, your buffer tube fits right in here. You see them notches are cut out on either side, so you could put it left side or right side. It doesn't matter. Either side's going to work for you. 3 screws mount this one on. I only have 2 in this one right here, and then on the M-Loc one, it takes 2 screws, and I only have 1 holding this one on. But guys, this is going to be a game changer to have your guns to hang up right there, whatever you want. If you want to put them in your closet, or if you guys know me, you guys know I build concealment furniture. Everything concealment. That's the whole purpose of having them hidden, but able to access them when you need to, for whatever the reason may be. But I'm always looking for new things to make, new ideas to come up with. Again, I'm no smarter than anybody else out there. I have no experience in none of this stuff. Everything I built that I thought of in my mind, and if I made mistakes along the way, I corrected it or started over. But unfortunately, everything I made, like my concealment flags, I never really ran into much problems where I had to redo the whole project all over again. I try to research a little bit what I want to do, how I want to do it. I put it to pen and paper, and then I make it come to reality, guys. I have a little shop here, as you can see. Like I said, I have no experience. I'm a retired millwright. I used to remodel homes, so I know how to use basic hand tools and read a tape measure. Other than that, I have no fancy tools in my shop. I have a 3D printer, and I have a $300 Warrior table saw from Harbor Freight, guys. And a Craig pocket hole jig. If you guys don't have one of these, you need to get one. They are amazing. They'll make your job 10 times easier. So back to the presentation. Like I said, the buffer tube mount. Like I said, it fits right in the groove there. Like you see, there's no play. You can hang it up from the left side, or you can do it from the right side, and it locks right in there. It doesn't move, guys. This right here, this is my Monster AR-10. I did a review on this one not too long ago. Guys, this thing is a monster. It is heavy, and even this, as heavy as it is, like again, there's only 2 screws holding this up, and it fits perfectly in there. So it doesn't matter if you have AR-15, AR-10, or the M4 style. It fit both of them. And like I said, the M-Loc ones, what's cool about these, not only do they work on your M-Loc rail on your AR-15, they also work on your Magpul MOE upper handguard. They also work on again, like the Magpul. Goes right in here, right into the hole there, and locks it right in place, guys. Look at that. No play, no nothing. Very strong, very durable. Look, it literally just slides right into the 2 holes there like butter. You put them in there, and that's it. A perfect wall hanger, guys. And again, I'll show you how easy it is to put it on here. Just like that, guys. Excellent thing. Let me know what you guys think. You guys like it? Maybe I'll give a bunch of these away. The M-Loc ones or the AR-15 buffer tube. Let me know which one you guys like. Maybe I'll do a giveaway and give about 20, 30 of each of them away. If you guys are new here, most of my other guys that have been with me for a while, they know I do a lot of giveaways. Guys, I like to help people, and I like to, if I have something and I don't use it no more, I'll give it away. But again, if I come up with something good, I have a good idea on something and I make it, people like it, you know, why not give some away for people? You know, it's a very, very trying time in our world today. So it's nice to make something, give somebody something back, help them out, you know, put a smile on their face. So that's why I do it. But again, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think. I'll post some more pictures of it in the description about what I have. But if you guys like it, let me know. And like I said, maybe I'll do a giveaway and give a bunch of them away. Have a great day, everybody.